The Untrust Cybersecurity Honest Review. Watch before using. Most cyber attacks don't start with hackers breaking in. They start with stolen logins. You won't believe how much damage one compromised account can cause. The Untrust is a cybersecurity company that specializes in privileged access management. In simple terms, it protects the most powerful accounts in your company, the ones that can control servers, databases, and sensitive systems. These privileged accounts are prime targets for attackers. The surprising truth about modern breaches is that many happen without malware. Hackers simply log in using stolen credentials. BeyondTrust creates secure vaults for privileged passwords, monitors every access attempt, and records sessions, so suspicious behavior can be detected instantly. It can automatically rotate passwords, meaning even if a password is stolen, it quickly becomes useless. For example, if an IT administrator logs into a critical system, BeyondTrust records the session, tracks commands, and flags unusual actions in real time. This platform is widely used by enterprises, hospitals, banks, and government agencies that must meet strict security standards. However, BeyondTrust is not designed for small businesses with basic security needs. It requires professional setup and dedicated management. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. This is not antivirus software. It is enterprise-level protection for high-risk environments. If your organization handles sensitive data or critical systems, BeyondTrust can be a powerful defense layer. Subscribe now for more honest cybersecurity reviews and safety guides.